just like a spinner, and then it's got some things of a fidget cube.
I wonder what these tabs are for.
I don't know, this is very strange.
And it makes a nice sound. Like,
The clicking helps, if that was to like get some tension out.
kind of like a stress ball.
Oh, you can do it like that. Oh, there we go.
Oh, like this. Ah. That brings me like so much simple pleasure. I don't know why.
I didn't think I needed something like this, but now that I've been using it, I could see this being really useful.
Like where do you see yourself using it?
Definitely in class.
Everywhere.
You know, if somebody has trouble paying attention and would fidget in another way.
If I'm fidgeting other ways, people would really see. Here it's a secret. I feel secure with the weight.
Just something to hold on to and kind of play with, and
Something to do with my hands, it's kind of comforting.
Would you get one of those for your friends?
No, I'd keep it.
I don't want to give it up.
I'm just trying to see how long it's going to continue going.
like a little perpetual motion machine.
And it's still going, so.
It's not going to stop. It's not going to stop. Okay, so it doesn't stop.
Hello, my name is Dale. I'm the founder of Fidget. We designed REVOQ to provide all the fidgeting functions you crave into an all-in-one, easy-to-carry fidget spinner. Premium fidget spinners can be very expensive. We offer an affordable spinner without compromising quality. To offer you an affordable price, we need to meet high order quantities with our manufacturers. The great news is, we have the final design and our manufacturers are ready to produce. We will be shipping within a month after our campaign ends. Back us today and help us get REVOQ in your hands.